Today, we're going to create a print and cut image. We're going to upload a silhouette image of a buffalo. This is just a JPEG image. We're going to upload a simple image. You can see that it's loading. I'm going to choose simple. And then in the next frame, it's going to ask me to click in the areas I want to erase. So, of course, the background. But then don't forget any small areas like the spaces between the legs. We want those to be transparent as well. And then we're going to save it. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to upload a pattern that's on the right part of your screen. I've saved a buffalo plaid pattern to my desktop, and I'm going to open that. Now what's different here is I'm going to save the pattern, but it's not going to show as one of my images. So I'll show you where it's hidden in just a moment. So now we're going to choose the buffalo. We're going to insert the image onto our design space. We got a little glitch here. Do it again. For some reason it gave us 2, so I'm just going to delete one. Alright, so now we're ready to begin. We've got the buffalo image. We're going to make it to whatever size we choose. I'm going to make it large enough so you can see it. And I'm going to click on the print icon. You'll notice that there's colors, but then there's also patterns. That's where our pattern is hiding. So I'm going to choose the buffalo plaid pattern I uploaded. You see I've uploaded it a few different times, but this one is the repeat pattern. So it'd be continuous pattern across the buffalo. And you'll see that it filled the shape of the buffalo. Now all I need to do is tell it to make it. And in the next screen you'll see that what we have here is a print and cut ready buffalo with the plaid inserted. I'm going to send it to my printer. I'm going to choose which printer I have. I have an HP OfficeJet printer. It will print out on paper, and then I'm going to take that paper to my Cricut machine, and then the Cricut will cut the shape of the buffalo.